Good day, food enthusiasts. Welcome to Blogging Good Food, your go to source for delicious recipes and food inspiration. Today, we are diving into the world of mouth-watering side salad recipes that are perfect for any meal. Whether you are planning a barbecue, a summer party, or simply looking for a healthy addition to your dinner, we have got you covered. Let's get started. First up, we are serving up some refreshing summer salad ideas. These colorful creations are not only delicious but also a feast for the eyes. Get ready for a burst of flavor. Our tropical fruit salad is a summer sensation. Fresh mangoes, pineapples, and kiwis come together to create a mouth-watering melody of flavors. Perfect for your summer get-togethers. If you prefer the classics, our garden fresh salad is a winner. Crisp lettuce, juicy tomatoes, and crunchy cucumbers all drizzled with a zesty vinaigrette. A side salad that complements any meal. Beans are not only nutritious but also make fantastic side salads. Let's explore some bean salad recipes that are sure to impress. Our 3-bean fista salad is a flavor explosion. Kidney beans, black beans, and chickpeas all mixed with a tangy dressing and topped with fresh cilantro. A party in your mouth. Take a trip to the Mediterranean with our Mediterranean medley salad filled with cannellini beans, olives, and feta cheese. It's a delightful twist on a classic bean salad. Elevate your steak game with these irresistible steak side salad recipes. These hearty salads are the perfect companions to a juicy steak. Indulge in the rich flavors of our grilled steak Caesar salad. Tender slices of steak on a bed of crisp romaine lettuce, topped with Parmesan cheese and Caesar dressing. A steakhouse favorite. Our balsamic bliss steak salad is a taste sensation. Slices of succulent steak, roasted cherry tomatoes, and a drizzle of balsamic glaze. A symphony of flavors that will leave you craving for more. Potato salad is a classic side dish that never goes out of style. These easy potato salad recipes are perfect for picnics and barbecues. Our creamy classic potato salad is a family favorite. Tender potatoes and a creamy mayo-based dressing, simple and satisfying. If you are a pickle lover, you will adore our dill pickled potato salad. The tangy crunch of dill pickles takes this salad to the next level. It's a pickle paradise on your plate. That wraps up our journey through these delectable side salad recipes. Don't forget to visit our website, Blogging Good Food, at blogginggoodfood.com for the full recipes and more culinary inspiration. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next mouth-watering episode.